Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create a main menu of supplier and customer. On the left side, supplier name and their balances will be displayed. On the right side, customer name and their balances will be displayed. First, supplier, computer world and their balance are showing here. How can we display this balance? Just press is equal to, and computer world is a supplier. Just select here and select this balance and press enter. Automatically display the computer world balance will be displayed automatically here. If I change here like a 15,000, I type the 20,000, I do the payment. Now balance is 55,000. If I go to the main menu, now you can see 55,000. If I change the supplier ledger, the balance will be also change on main menu. Account payable balance. This column is showing account payable balance, which means I have to pay this amount to the supplier. If I type another supplier and their payment, it will be added here also. Now if I remove it and I create another supplier, just right click and move or copy. Now create a copy and press OK, and I type the supplier name point 1. Now and supplier is 0.1. Now I type the date, type, reference number, description, debit, credit and balance here, and for example if I change the minor changing, if I do the payment 10,000, now the balance is 65,000. Now go to the main menu. I type 0.1 and what is the balance of 0.1? Just press is equal to, go to the 0.11 sheet and select the balance and press enter. And you can see here hyperlink. I just create the hyperlink here as well. Just go to the insert and select hyperlink, go to the place in this document and just select 0.1 sheet and press OK. Now when we click here, it will move to the 0.1 sheet. Now you can see here. If I go to the main menu and select computer world, it will move to the computer world sheet. It's a supplier. If I move down and click here back option, it will move to the main menu. How can we create this button? Just go to the insert and shape and select this shape and drag it, right click, edit text and just type back and press some space and create a link, insert, hyperlink and go select the main menu, press OK. If I click here, it will move to the main menu. If I click computer world, it will move to the computer world supplier. If I click here and if I click customer, it moves to the customer ledger, AR Trader Private Limited. If I click here, it will move to the main menu. And here I applied the auto sum formula. If I delete here and just click auto sum, it will select automatically all the cells and press enter. Now all the outstanding will be displayed here. Total outstanding is 1,20,000. If I create another supplier, just right click and move and create a copy of the sheet and do some changes. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.